So in this video, I'm going to show you how to run the second TTS software, which I call the OpenAI TTS. This is a free text-to-speech software and it's also Kokoro alternative. The reason why I suggest using this second one is because Kokoro sometimes have some days what we are called, I think, okay, what we called error. It normally show error sometimes, so you want to digress from using it, and if you want an alternative, this is the best alternative I can offer to you. So as you can see, just go here to the Docker. You can run this one on your PC or on your any local computer decided to use. But I normally run this one on my VPS. The reason why I run this on my VPS is to make sure that I'm able to get access and run this thing quietly without any issue. But now I'm going to run it locally. I mostly run my software online, as you can see in the video, and I also show you how you can also do the same thing. Okay, so let me just show you how you can install it locally. So if you want to install it locally, just go to terminal here. Okay, after this thing loads finish, you want to go to terminal. So after this one has been done, just go to the terminal. I'm going to start again. Here's the terminal. Click on the terminal. It's going to show you this. And the next thing, let's see if the image is not available yet. So I don't think the image is available yet. So let's go to container and let's click on this and click on paste. Now it's going to find the image and it's going to run and install the image. So if you want to use something like this after the installation, you are going to use the local IP. As you can see, this failed to register, blah blah blah. Let me just close this for now. So that is the reason why I love using this locally. I think it's running now, should be running now. So now it's going to pull everything. So after pulling everything directly, we are going to run it locally using this. So let us wait for it. Let's read the. So after we are done with the installation, here is the usage. Okay, as you can see, let's go to our NA10 locally, or you can can only run locally. Let's run our NA10 locally. So here's my NA10. I'm going to start it. So let's go to local. Um, so still need to wait for a while. So I will be back. So this thing has been running locally, and this is the name. Okay, this is the open TTS. As you can see, this is it now. It's running locally. If you want to check for the health, I think is there any way to check for the health if this thing is running? So I don't think there's a way we can check for the health. Let's see. Normally I should run this thing. So now I'm going to delete and rerun with this correct key. Okay, I'm going to rerun with this. So let us delete. You are going to go to Docker, stop, and copy this container ID, paste it here. We are going to stop this one. You want to stop any Docker container, that is what you are going to use. Now we are going to remove it and also remove the image. Okay, we are going to remove it and remove the image. So we are done now. Now we are going to delete it. Now we are going to go to the image to delete the image too. Search for, this is it. So the reason why I asked for us to use this, I will show you now. Now let us go to the terminal again. You want to click on this plus and change to gbash, paste it right here. You want to change, if you want to use an API key, or you want to use an API key, you can use this one. But if you don't want to use an API key, just go here, okay, where it said require API key, and change it to false. Okay, change it to false, and then now we are done. I think we are done. So we are done with that one. After this one has installed completely, that means we are done. Now we should have our anything running by now. So this anything sometimes take some times before it run. Let me check something. Oh, we are still in the image. Let's check something. So still processing. So I'm going to reload and restart again. I'm going to reload and restart again. So now that everything is now accessible, I'm going to create a workflow for us to test this our software out. I'm going to click here and search for HTTPS, and I'm going to click on request. The next thing is to go to here to the usage. So I'm going to use this first usage. This is the first usage and click on it. We are going to click on import call and we are going to click on import. Then boom, we have no BRR API key since we have set our API key to false. Okay, now let us click on here and test it out and see what we got. Now what we got is offline because our IP address is not reachable, not okay, I mean not reachable. So let me my IP. So search for your IP address and you are going to replace it here with your local host, your real IP address. So you can go to IP to location, blah blah blah. What's my IP address? IP to location, get your IP address. I don't think this is my IP, this is my real IP address. So this one, I don't think this one is going to I don't think this one is going to work because that time that is not what I use. Okay, so let's see if this one. I think it's going to work, but if it was supposed to work, it was supposed to be um this slow. Okay, so that's why I prefer sometimes using my VPS to run this. It make it very fast. Like I said, it won't run. Okay, it might not run. So for you to get your IP address, so how to get my IP address using CMD. So we are going to use CMD to get your IP address. Okay. So I think you are going to input IP config or what is yeah, this is your IP address. So go to your CMD. I don't know how it works for Windows user, but um I don't think this is the one. I don't think so. Let's play. Um I don't think this is the one. Okay, this is the one. And let us play it.
Hello, I am your AI assistant. Just let me know how I can help bring your ideas to life.
Now, if you want to change the if you want to change the speaker, if you want to change the speaker, just go here to the play voice sample, and I also have some voice sample which you can use also. So like here, I'm going to go for this Ryan or Thomas. Okay, so this is the voice. Just copy the name and go to this and click on execute. Let's play it.
Hello, I am your AI assistant. Just let me know how I can help bring your ideas to life.
So we are done with that one. Now let us proceed on how we can make our workflow works. Okay, how we can design our workflow and how we can make it work. Okay, make sure you have installed whatever you want to install. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching and do have a nice day.